For last few months, through different platforms, we were receiving information and also we were receiving certain complaints that tourists are facing a major difficulty, wherein what is happening is they are going on certain websites and they are making bookings and they are paying an advance amount. After having paid that advance amount, when they are visiting Goa, they are realizing that either that property does not exist or that person through whom the booking was made, that number has now been turned off. So I am glad to share with you that in a significant achievement, North-Goa police has uncovered a scam which was being operated by individuals who are posing as hotel operators. These people used to dupe unsuspecting tourists by exploiting loopholes on renowned booking platforms such as booking.com. This fraudulent operation, which was active since 2022, we believe has deceived large number of tourists by linking non-existing properties for rent and collecting advance payments through multi-bank accounts. Goa police had recently received several complaints regarding online fraud targeting tourists. Victims reported being duped by fake villa listings on platforms such as booking.com, where they were asked to pay advances for non-existing properties. Our initial investigation has revealed that over 500 individuals have fallen prey to this scam. Efforts are underway to contact the victims and formally record their complaints. This present scam came to light following a complaint which was received through email by one Mr. Pankaj Dhiman. He is a resident of Chandigarh. He was defrauded of rupees 20,000 while attempting to book a property named Ruby Villa on booking.com. When he arrived at the location, he discovered that the villa did not exist. When we found this complaint, we had initially registered an FIR under section 318 subsection 4 of BNS at Anjuna police station. Following this, the investigation was conducted under the supervision of two IPS under trainees who are attached presently with North Goa district, Mayank Dubey and Arun Balgotra. They started investigating and then they soon discovered that this was not a very simple case, but it involved many complainants and many individuals. Thereafter, we were able to arrest 4 individuals. 3 of them were tracked down to Hyderabad and 1 was tracked down near Jaipur. During interrogation, the accused confessed to orchestrating the scam, and they also revealed their modus operandi. They have revealed that they had taken a rented room in Hyderabad and they would field calls from potential victims and also use female telephone operators to build trust. The perpetrators exploited vulnerabilities in booking platforms to create fraudulent listings for non-existing properties. They then collected advance payments through digital payment systems linked to multiple bank accounts. Now I will share with you the details of the persons arrested. They have been identified as one Mr. Saurabh, who is a resident of Gwalior, another Mr. Syed Ali Mukhtar, he is a resident of Hyderabad, one Mr. Muhammad Firoz, he is also resident of Hyderabad, and Mr. Muhammad Azruddin Saif, who is a resident of Hyderabad.